Welcome to the ultimate guide to Suprnova.cc, one of the most popular and reliable cryptocurrency mining platforms available today. This video will take you through a detailed overview of the platform, exploring its interface, features, and how it supports mining for a wide variety of altcoins. If you've been looking for a mining pool that combines ease of use with robust functionality, Suprnova.cc might be exactly what you need. Starting with the homepage, you'll find a straightforward interface that prioritizes simplicity without sacrificing detail. Suprnova.cc allows users to easily select from a wide range of mining pools dedicated to various cryptocurrencies. The sign-up process is intuitive, requiring just a few simple steps to set up your account and link your preferred wallet. Once registered, you gain access to a personalized dashboard where you can monitor your mining statistics, configure workers, and analyze performance in real time. Suprnova.cc's support for multiple algorithms makes it an excellent choice for miners focusing on specific altcoins. Whether you're mining Ethereum, Litecoin, or more niche coins, the platform provides detailed resources to help optimize your setup. One standout feature is its low pool fees, which ensure you retain a significant portion of your rewards, making it appealing for miners aiming for long-term profitability. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Another key aspect of Suprnova.cc is its comprehensive support network. The platform features an active forum where miners can exchange tips, resolve issues, and share insights. Additionally, it offers a step-by-step FAQ section, ensuring that even newcomers can navigate and maximize their mining experience without difficulty. The stability of Suprnova's servers also ensures minimal downtime, which is crucial for consistent mining operations. The platform integrates seamlessly with popular mining software, providing compatibility guides to ensure smooth operation across devices. Advanced users will appreciate its API support, which allows for custom integrations and data retrieval to enhance mining efficiency further. If you're ready to take your mining to the next level, Suprnova.cc offers the tools, resources, and community support you need to succeed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.